Yo, 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 what up, YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, ipod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I've been getting a lot of questions for the last couple of videos I did. Y'all seen the unboxing that I did, and some of you guys actually wanted to see how the unboxing was originally supposed to do. So I used one of the boxes that my other GMMK 3 came inside. So I'm gonna show you how the proper way how your board is supposed to look. So this is a GMMK 3 Pro HE wireless. Now the only difference between this is that the version I got is supposed to be a bare bones. So yours is not gonna have yours may come with the switches with the keycaps. Mine's is just the board. Is basically the plate, the bottom plate, the top plate, the switch plate, the accessories, and everything else, extra accessories and stuff like that. So when you get yours from Glorious, you go through the boardsmith. This is how it's going to come. If you get yours with the switches and the keycaps, this is how it's going to come. So let's unbox this real quick. This is the second unboxing. Like I said, I'm actually doing this with my other GMMK that I actually purchased. So I just took that box and put it in this one. So when you get this one, depending, you should get a box that's kind of like transparent. Well, not transparent, but reflective. So you should get like greens and blues inside of it when you move it around like that. It's really heavy. So let's unbox this real quick. Okay, when you get it, you're supposed to say your name on it like that. On your boardsmith maker right here, an employee. Here's my name right there. Here's the board right there. This is how it's supposed to come. You're supposed to get stickers, a card, another card, which is supposed to tell you what type of switches you get for like the other things. I think I gotta switch up the cards. I think this is the wrong cards in here because mine's just the HE. So I believe this is the one from my GMMK 3 wired board. So yeah, what you would normally get in a box. Okay, what you would normally get is this right here, which is going to be your cord, your 3.5 millimeter cord to USB Type C. I'm sorry, 3.5 millimeter. I'm sorry, which will be your USB Type C, which is going to be USB Type C to USB A. That's going to be at the bottom. Then you're going to get your tools, which is going to be a screwdriver, two gasket springs right here, and you're going to get a bag of O-rings with screws in it, just in case if you misplace something or you lose one of them. Put this here. Other one you want to get is your other box, which is going to have your keycap puller and your switch puller, and it's going to come with 3 or 4 switches, sample switches. So it's going to be one of these that you see in here. It's going to probably be a Panda or a Fox or whatever it may be, depending on the switch they gave you. So I got the Hall Effect. So I got 4 Hall Effect switches that came in the box with mines. So yours, when you get yours, you should be getting a Fox, a Panda, a Raptor, and I think Lynx, whatever. So I think that's what actually comes in it. Can't really tell you guys. So let's just close this up really fast. This to the side. So when you get your board, it should come like this. Just take the plastic off. There you go. So like I said, yours is not going to come like this. Depending on the board that you get, well, you're not going to get these switches. These are ADA switches. I'm sorry, ADA keycaps, and I do have I forgot the name of the switches that I got on here. I gotta look at the name because this is an unnamed brand type of switch on here. So they blues. I gotta re-look at the switches, but they do sound good. They are pre-lubed already. Like I said, this is how you get yours. As you can see, mine's is blue and pink. Everything on here is full aluminum. You have your Windows and your Mac. Then you have your standard for your wired. Then you have your Bluetooth. Then you got your USB dongle switch, which is, I believe, is 2.5, I believe. So let's just turn Bluetooth on real quick. So that one right there is the dongle. This one right here is Bluetooth. And that's wired right there if you want to put it in wired. So as you can see, it's on. Let's just hit function real quick, F, and there we go. As you can see right there. Got some liquid on here. Try to clean that up real quick. Let me move this to the side real quick just so I can clean that up real fast. Get some cleaning material real quick. Good thing I always have rubbing alcohol always on the side. There we go. So yeah, this is how your keyboard is going to come. When you get your keyboard, it's not going to sound this good. The reason why mine sound like this is because I actually modded mine. If y'all go to my live stream, you see that I actually modded it. I actually did a 2 layers of the tape mod, holy mod, tape mod. I also re-lubed some of the stabs, which I want to use my stabs, but I have a situation that's going on with my PCB. So that's the reason why I wasn't able to do it. Also on top of that, I put my own switches in. I do have the Hall Effect switches on my WASD. So if you listen. So if I'm going to move it a little bit closer to my microphone so you guys can hear it. This one right here is silent. This one is next to silent. This is linear, clicky, tactile. Actually, this one's the tactile. This is the linear, silent, and clicky. So yeah, guys, the rest of my switches, I believe, is tactile. It has that little bump on it that you can feel it. So yeah, guys, this is how your board will come when you get yours. I'm gonna catch you guys later. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DYEZ gang, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.